their YouTube, they will tell them, they come they keep on insulting us, say, we dey kill people. Now they use their money to come out. The same thing, the king for Oguta, you mad again to say the same thing. I see how the video evidence here. I will tell an Igbo man, say, you people are minority in the country, or they make map. If not get map to draw, we go draw map. We are coming straight to Onicha to tell them, say that map, we go draw away now. We go draw the map where we are coming to Onicha, we are coming to Enugu Ezike, we are coming to Oguta. All those regions, we go map all of them back again because the insult.
The Bini boy said that Bini Kingdom owns Onicha in Anambra State. That Bini Kingdom owns Enugu Ezike in Enugu State. That Bini Kingdom owns Oguta in Imo State. He said that they Bini people will go to all those places and include all those people in the map of Bini Kingdom. Look at the map of Bini Kingdom here. In the map of Bini Kingdom, they added the whole of River State, the whole of Delta State, including Anioma. They added the whole of Bayelsa State. They added the whole of Ondo State. They added Lagos State. They added Enugu State. They added the whole of Anambra State. They added half of Imo State. They added part of Osun State, which includes Ile-Ife. They added part of Kogi State and Benue State to the map of Bini Kingdom. Imagine adding people that don't speak your language to your map, calling them your children, calling them your descendants. Bini Kingdom are not even saying we are adding people that are speaking our language. No. Now, Okwane people migrated from Bini Kingdom. Oguta people migrated from Bini Kingdom. Enugu Ezike migrated from Bini Kingdom. Lagos migrated from Bini Kingdom. Ijaw migrated from Bini Kingdom. Yoruba migrated from Bini Kingdom. That is all Bini people are doing. And that was the reason why they added all these people to their map. This map here is the reason why this Bini boy is saying that they will make sure that they add Onicha, Enugu Ezike and Oguta to their map. What is the origin of Onicha in Anambra State? Onicha was founded by the grandson of Ezechime called Oreze. Oreze is the first king of Onicha in Anambra State. The only family in Onicha that produces the king is the direct descendants of that Oreze. No be hereditary, but now from the same family. And that family trace their ancestry direct to Oreze. So if you want to say which family produces the king in Onicha, the lineage of Oreze are the ones that produce king in Onicha. Bini people will tell you that the white people wrote the history of Onicha, that in the past Onicha people speak Bini language. Those Onicha people that were speaking Bini language in the past, after they migrated and settled in that land, all of them trace their ancestry to Oreze, the grandchild of Ezechime. Go on Onicha and ask them, who born on that? They go say Ezechime. We hear so that they speak Bini before. They go say yes. What be the name of that one? A Bini ancestor. That Bini ancestor we born on her. Tell us. They go tell you Ezechime. Is Ezechime a Bini man? No. Ezechime lived in Bini Kingdom. Oba Bini started to give him problem. He left Bini Kingdom and settled in Anioma land. And his grandson left Anioma land and settled in Onicha in Anambra State. So Bini people say that Onicha people speak Bini language in the past does not make Onicha people Bini people. The origin of Ezechime is traced to Nri and Oka Aziz in Anambra State. Now from those Aziz, now Ezechime go Bini Kingdom. Come leave Bini Kingdom, come back. So if you like say that Onicha people speak Bini language before, who be that person where born them? They go tell you Ezechime, and Ezechime is not a Bini man. He talked about Enugu Ezike. When the elders of Enugu Ezike were interviewed, they said that Enugu Ezike is originally from Bini, that he left Bini and settled in their present location. What is the meaning of Ezike in Bini Kingdom? Because we know that since the history of Bini Kingdom, nobody dey bear Ezike for that place. Enugu Ezike migrated from Enugu Ukwu in Anambra State. According to the king of Enugu Ukwu, he said that Enugu Ukwu and Enugu Ezike are of the same father, and their origin is Nri Kingdom. Ezike come migrate from that Enugu Ukwu down to Enugu state where e dey now. The traditional ruler of Enugu showed where Enugu Ezike migrated from in that Enugu. The land still dey there. They said na this place where you dey see so 9 Ezike live go Enugu state where e dey now. And today some elders from Enugu Ezike are saying we migrated from Bini. Maybe because of na that Oba wey dey the name of Enugu Ezike, because Enugu Ezike is called Enugu Ezike Oba. The founder is called Ezike Oba. In Anambra State, we have a community called Oba. Oba community in Anambra State did not migrate from Bini Kingdom, but their name is Oba. Enugu Ezike elders are saying, we migrated from Bini Kingdom. Their elder brother in Enugu is saying that Enugu Ezike have no connection with Bini Kingdom. They said no single connection. Say nothing concern Ezike Oba with Bini Kingdom. Say na one papa born Enugu and Enugu Ezike. What is the meaning of Ezike in Bini language? Nothing. Ezike has no meaning in Bini language. Akalaka, the founder of part of Ikwere, have no meaning in Bini language. The brother of Akalaka called Ochiche have no meaning in Bini language. Oguta in Imo State was founded by Ameshi and Ekenyi. Are these names Bini names? No. You will never see a Bini person bearing Ameshi as a name. You will never see a Bini person bearing Ekenyi as a name. Ameshi and Ekenyi left Bini Kingdom. They no migrate. Now run, they run come out from that place because the Oba of Bini was oppressing them, marginalizing them, killing them. The same reason why Ogume people run come out from Bini Kingdom, other Okwani communities run come out from Bini Kingdom. Now the same reason wey make the founders of Oguta run come out from Bini Kingdom. If you go to Oguta today, so many of them will tell you that they migrated from Ogume, my community in Okwane land. For Oguta, so many people for that place talk say Ogume Kaishi Nibia. They migrated to Oguta from Ogume. The king of Oguta said that they migrated from Bini Kingdom. He said they migrated. He did not say that they are Bini people. Once Bini people here migrated, they go dey happy. They jump up like far away match fire. Hey, well, we don't see Bini descendant though. We don't see Bini descendant though. What is the name of that person that gave birth to those people? What is the meaning of Ameshi and Ekenyi in Bini language? They are not going to tell you. According to the king of Oguta, they fled Bini Kingdom because of persecution by the Oba of Bini. The video dey internet. In Oguta, some Oguta people trace their ancestry to Ezechime. Ezechime, the founder of Ezechime communities in Anioma land. Some Oguta people trace their ancestry to that Ezechime. So, what is Bini about Oguta people? Nothing. Oguta people have titles like Iyasere, all those titles where they Bini Kingdom, but that does not make them Bini people. If you come to Buzo community, they have Iyase. If you go to Ezechime communities, they have Iyase. All those Iyase titles where they say na Bini from come, they are just practicing all those Iyase because Bini Kingdom where they stay before, they see about Bini, they use all those things as titles, as position. So now why did they use all those things for their community now? E no mean say there be Bini people. Ezechime communities, they use Ada and Eben. That does not make them Bini people. All the traditional rulers in Ikaland, they use Ada and Eben, but they are not Bini people. They are not of Bini origin. So any place where we say you don't live before, you go learn some things from that place. There must be an exchange of culture and tradition. That does not make Oguta people Bini people. If you come to Okwane land, you go dey see people wey dey bear Ameshi. Ameshi, Ekenyi. Come Okwane land, you go dey see people dey bear that name. That name na name wey dey take know Okwane people. In Okwane land, we bear those names. So, all these places for Igbo land where Bini people dey claim say na their descendants are not Bini descendants. If you come online today, you will see Bini people saying they are the owner of southern Nigeria. Na them get Yoruba land. Na them get Ghana. na dem get Benin Republic, na dem get Togo, na dem get Zimbabwe, na dem get Somalia. The whole world migrated from Bini Kingdom. Bini people, we are waiting for you people to come and take Oguta people from Igbo nation. Come and take Enugu Ezike. Come and take Onicha. We are waiting for you people. Make una tell us wetin dey give una that mind. You want to claim people that don't trace their ancestry to you. The Bini boy said that Igbo people have no land in Nigeria. He said that Igbo people are a minority in Nigeria. Igbo that are more than 70 million people in numbers. Now they talk say Igbo na minority. The total number of Igbo that were killed during the Biafra war is more than 3,100,000 and something people. What is the population of Bini people during the Biafra war? The population of Bini people during the Biafra war not even past 1.something million people. But see the number of Igbo people who died during that war. Bini Kingdom that is found in only one state, and for that state, they not be the full state. Now, part of that state now be Bini Kingdom. People will say only one state they dey. Now they come and they talk say Igbo people are minority in Nigeria. Can you imagine? This is the reason why Bini people are not happy whenever they hear about Anioma state. If they pay them say only one state they dey, and that state where they dey not be Bini state. You cannot call Edo State a Bini state. Edo State is a multi-ethnic state. Igbo people are indigenous there. Igala are indigenous there. Yoruba are indigenous there. Esan are indigenous there. Igoromigo are indigenous there. Bini is there. Esako is there. And so on. So, now this is the verse Bini people will say, if they just hear Anioma state, body go dey pepper them. Because they don't want to make Igbo nation get a 6 states. As Igbo they complain say, na only 5 states they get. Say make Anioma people, their brother, join them. Bini people not want time. And because Bini Kingdom they claim say na dem get Anioma people. Hey, wo kwali people na our children o, na our descendant o, say with Ika people o, say with Oshimiri and Anyocha people o, Ikore people our children. Now we born all of them. They don't ever call you their brother o. Because they know say if they call you their brother, that means you get equal rights with them. They go call you their children, their pikin. You don't talk when they talk. They are the ones to dictate for you. That is why many people are agitating for Royal South Republic when no go ever work. What is Royal South Republic? That Royal South Republic na a plot to make the Oba of Bini the supreme leader, the emperor. Then other traditional rulers wey dey that place na dukes, which means chiefs, wey go dey administer to their community on behalf of the Oba of Bini. You see as Bini Kingdom dey talk say na dem get Ibanke, say Ibanke kings na chiefs and the Oba of Bini na be the king over Ibanke people. That is the agenda of these Bini people. And that is why Bini people will never tell you that there is another king in Nigeria. They go only tell you say the only king in Nigeria is the Oba of Bini. That is the nature of these people. Expansionists. All this wey Fulani herdsmen they do today, they go they kill people. Now wetin Bini Kingdom they do in the past? Wetin the Urhobo people suffer for the hand of Bini Kingdom in the past not be here. I will talk about it in my next video. At least make the eyes of Urhobo people open, because some Urhobo people don't even know wetin happen wey make them settle for their present location. You go see some Urhobo people go dey tell you say, we Urhobo people, we are Bini descendants, we are proudly Bini people, we are from Bini Kingdom. If to say they know wetin their ancestors pass through for Idu land, they are not going to ever open their mouth to talk say they be Bini descendants, they be Bini people. Shame not go allow them. So that thing where Urhobo people suffer in the hands of Bini Kingdom in the past, now wetin we Anioma people suffer in the past. Now all those things that make Oguta, Onicha and other Anioma people run comot from that Idu land to our present location. We are running away from slavery. We are running away from being used by Bini Kingdom for human sacrifice. When the king of Oguta was talking about the origin of Oguta, he said that the Oba of Bini was oppressing them. And because of that, they ran away from Idu land. They fled Idu land to their present location. So, Oguta people are not of Bini origin. Same with Onicha, same with Enugu Ezike people. This thing why they talk so, go and verify. Whether Bini people like it or not, they are only found in one state. Bini Kingdom will never expand more than their present location, because we, the Igbo unification movement, will do everything possible and make sure that we keep Bini Kingdom where they belong. Bini people want to get back that their failed empire, an empire that was destroyed by the British. So they want to get back that empire by bringing back Okwane, Ika, Oshibiri, Onicha, Ikwere, Oba, Ekpeye, Ndoni, Echie, Opobo, the whole of South, the whole of Niger Delta, Southwest, Middle Belt. They want all these people to be one single unit, so that the Oba of Bini will be an emperor over them. We say no, say that rubbish not going to ever happen. So the only place where Bini people get mouth now to come online, they talk rubbish. You people know say now online when I get power, we get power online and offline. So you Bini people, are you people going to the National Assembly to tell the National Assembly that Anyama is Bini, Ikwere is Bini, Oba is Bini, Enugu Ezike is Bini, Lagos is Bini, Ile-Ife is Bini? Now all this is that make Bini people, they not get that power to go they make their demand for National Assembly. All this is why Bini people they talk, and I just made them talk and made them feel happy. As we say, now only one plot of land they pepper them. As we say, they're not they close to the sea, now they pepper them. Bini Kingdom is landlocked. We will keep exposing the evil intent and agenda of these Bini people. The agenda of the Igbo unification movement is to make sure that Igbo unites. Is to make sure that no inch of Igbo land, no community from Igbo land will be taken away from Igbo nation. Igbo Bofu and Igbo must surely unite. Nobody, no obstacle can divide Igbo nation. Ishiagwale.